Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, we will see how to use controlled form in React application. By controlled form, I mean the form data will be handled by React component. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. To begin with, let's convert contact component from functional component to class component, and move the return code to render method. Add state in constructor with first name, last name, phone, email, flag, contact type, message, followed by a feedback form below address. For this, we will use form component with a onSubmit method. Add first name by grouping the labels and fields using a form group. Bind the form methods inside the constructor. Add other fields similarly. Add checkbox for flag as Boolean value, add drop-down for contact type to give options to select, add text area for message, and add a button to submit form. Now we will add some styling for the same. Let's update the methods now to make this form work. In handle submit, we will add prevent default so as not to redirect to another page. In handle input change, we will fetch target and its value. Also we will set the state, field name and its value. Now if we refresh, we can see the feedback form. If we enter the form details and submit, we can see the filled data in pop-up. So, we have seen how to use controlled form in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.